welcome to Let's Wrap. Today we're gonna be doing an intermediate style I like to call Poppy. Poppy is a full head wrap with a half layover, half twist. This is a rendition of an earlier style we called Lily, which had a full twist. So this just kind of changes things up a bit. You can check out Lily here if you want to see the original version, but otherwise, let's get started, ladies. The hair. So for this style, I like to pull my hair into a bun that's not on top of my head and not on the back of my head. It's just kind of on the crown center of my head. And I want to make it flat like a pancake versus a big bun, because otherwise if you have a big bun, it's going to kind of stick up in your head wrap. So make sure it's flat like a pancake. Okay, so now onto the head wrap. For this head wrap style, I prefer something that has a lot of movement to it versus something stiff. So you can look at like the head wraps that we used in Naomi or Ruth. Those sort of head coverings work best. So I'm using a material similar to the one used in Lily, just a different color. It's a 74 by approximately 36 inches. And I'm just gonna take the entire thing and lay it over my head. I have my little tags sticking out. I'll just try to tuck it in, but otherwise I'll just fix them at the end. For this style, it's very important that the length of each side matches. So I'm gonna make sure that they match before I begin to tie it. After that, all you're gonna do is pull it tight behind your head and then just twist it a little bit. So it'll look like this. Great. So now that you have it twisted, you're just gonna hold it and bring each of the long sides to the front. You're going to pick one of the sides and you're gonna bring it up and over your head. And then you're gonna just do the same thing with the other tail. So now you have both of your tails over on the other side. You're just gonna take them and start to twist. So I typically twist each side first, and then I twist them together. When you've gotten pretty close to the bottom, I just kind of twist them together, and then you're gonna take that end and tuck it into the back of your head wrap. So it'll look just like this. Woo! Okay, let's take a look at each side. Ladies, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. As always, don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you get a chance, shoot me an email. My link is down below. I'd love to hear from you. It's always great to hear women and their journeys and what's been going on in your lives. On that note, ladies, it's a wrap.